And now, the adventures of Andy the astronaut. Andy was in a spacecraft, flying from one end of the galaxy to the other, from planet to planet, avoiding aliens, going through asteroid belts, to collect planet rocks and bring back to the Earth to analyze. One day, when he was approaching Saturn, he saw something he had never seen before. It was a strange, wide rectangle with what appeared to be tiles on it, with some numbers, and there were some numbers missing. What is this? I've never seen this before. And he studied the wide rectangle, not understanding what he was seeing. Oh well, I'd better get going to Saturn. But when Andy tried to pilot his ship around it on the left, the rectangle moved to the left. When he tried to go around on the right, the rectangle moved to the right. All of a sudden, it dawned on Andy. I'm gonna have to figure this thing out to get past it. What should I do? Oh, wait a minute, I remember this. I remember this back in kindergarten. This is called a number line. And I need to put the right numbers in the blank spots where they go on the number line. So we looked at the first spot. What goes there? 1, 2, 3. 3 goes there in the first one. And when he said 3, a 3 appeared on the tile. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When he said 7, a 7 appeared. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when he had said 10, a 10 appeared on the last tile. Yeah, I remember a number line is something that helps me to know what numbers come before and after the numbers. So if I look at this, I can count from 1 to 10 and then back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just then, the number line began to separate and disappear. It's all systems go for Saturn. Andy throttled up his ship and blasted off. As he approached Saturn, he landed, got the Saturn rocks, and headed back to the Earth. Once again, Andy was successful. He raised one fist in victory. Andy had done it again.